Hey guys, so as you can see, I'm in this all white little space. So as you can see, you clicked on the title of this video, so you already know that this is my empty apartment tour. Like, this is so freaking crazy. Like, I don't even, like, my place is, I don't even know, like, I felt like this place was okay, so I knew my place was small, but like now that I'm actually here, I'm like, it's not as small as I thought it was gonna be, but it's small, but it's cute for me though. So I'm just rambling. I'm really just rambling. So since I'm here, let me just show you guys my apartment, and I'm real rinky-dink, like I'm literally holding my phone like in my hand so you guys can see. But yeah, so let's just start this tour. Let's roll the clip. This is the entry door. Like, it's people outside, so I'm not really gonna walk out and walk back in. I don't really want to know people just yet. So this is the door. I walked in, boom, door closed, lights right here, light switch, boom. Well, I guess I can keep that down. I'm paying a light bill, y'all. I never paid a light bill before in my life, so okay. So this is like my little hall closet. Like, as soon as you walk in or whatever, hall closet. Let me move so you can see. Hall closet, and then we're gonna walk into like this little area. So this is like a little, what is it called? Like a little I don't know. I was saying, this is basically like your little dining area, but I'm basically gonna make this like my my YouTube film station. I'm also gonna make this like my / boutique business station. So like I'm gonna have like my business, my clothes, my YouTube. It's all gonna be right here. So that's what that section is gonna be. It would be a dining room, but I don't really care for real. This is where I'm gonna make this money happen right here, right there. So, and then you step aside. This is my living room. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so this is like my living room area, and yeah, that's Buddy right there. He's excited. His new place. This is actually his first time seeing a place. So as you can see, like my living room is carpet, but like my film little area is not carpet. So that's really cool. So I don't mind. This is okay. You get the AC unit, and then we also have a patio. But I don't know if I really want to show it because, you know, weirdos out there and you can try to figure out where I live. But yeah, it's like my little patio or whatever. Keep that closed, right? Okay. So, ooh, let me hit these lights. I ain't trying to make no crazy feels. So let's turn you off. Hit this switch. And now we're going to go into the kitchen. So the kitchen is really, really small, but it's okay because it's just me and my dog. So it's really simple. And yes, y'all, I got a white refrigerator.
I was shocked, honey. I was in tears almost.
I really didn't want a white refrigerator, but they be charging like $1,600 for the stuff that I like. It'd be like $1,700, and I'm just like, who's paying that? Not me. Like, who's paying that? So yeah, I got my gas stove. I love gas. Like, I hate electric stove. Like, if I can't see a flame, then it's not working. Like, I don't like that. I need flames. So yeah, I got like, you know, simple little stove, whatever. Counters, countertops, all this open space. I also have a dishwasher, so that's cool. So I got a white fridge and a white dishwasher. But actually my yeah, Buddy's right there. My microwave is actually like stainless steel. I bought it from Target, so I'm waiting on that to come. I'll actually pick that up sometime this week. So yeah, the kitchen is small, it's cute, it's really nothing to, it's cute, it's just for me, so I'm happy. Like, this is actually like my first apartment, so this is okay. This is fine. Oop, let's hit that light. Okay, so now we are in the hallway. So this is my, let me get the hall light for y'all real quick. So now we're in the hallway, and this is my hall closet. I need this because, y'all, I had the Curl Rock subscription like a year, 2 years ago, and I have like so much hair stuff. I have like so much Bath and Body Works stuff. I have like so much stuff. So this closet is so big and it's so deep and it's so many levels. So this works. I like that. Now the bathroom, I don't really care for the bathroom, but again, it's first apartment, don't really care. It was hard to find stuff anyway due to the pandemic. It was so hard. So yeah, it's just simple toilet, you know, mirror right there, sink. I don't like how the sink is like pushed all the way over. I don't like that. And then this is in the tub area. I'm gonna spruce it up, jazz it up. I'm gonna make it look like me, so it's okay. I'm gonna make this work. Like the bathroom is really small, but it's just me, so it doesn't, I don't mind it. Yeah, none back there. And now, hit that light, close that door, close it. And now we are into my bedroom. So yes, I have a 1-bedroom apartment. I got my blinds, my window right here. Yeah, you can see it's real cute. Just gets a little natural light. Because fun fact, my room does not have any light, so I need to go to IKEA so I can get me like a little lamp or something. But for now, the natural lighting is perfectly fine, so I don't mind it. If you look around, like I have like so many outlets. Like I got 1 outlet, 2 outlet, 3 outlet, 4 outlet. I don't know where I'm gonna put my bed though. I don't know, I'll figure it out. Maybe when my mother come over later, we'll figure that out. So the cool thing about my bedroom is that I have 2 closets. Let me step back. So yeah, I have 2 closets, 1 and 2. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with this room. Like I don't have a vision just yet. I don't know. Really, buddy? But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do just yet. So that is it. I know that was pretty short and pretty quick, but it is just a 1-bedroom apartment. It's just me, so that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Maybe I'll do some more apartment videos so you guys can see what's going on. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Maybe I'll do like a cleaning haul or like a cleaning time. I don't know. Okay. Bye, y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye.